Alright guys, so I tried out this style before. I said, okay, let me try it out again for you guys. So now look at the style on the screen for today. You're all welcome again to train with Giddy. Let's do it the Giddy way. So guys, if you are following me for the first time, you're welcome. Just know we have a new page where you can where you can talk about business, ask any questions, starting your gele. And we're going to be starting from start scratch. For it's a beginner class. So you just check the comment section, you see the link to subscribe. So check this style on the screen. Like I always say, to be a good gele stylist, you need to learn how to interpret styles. You understand? You need to learn how to interpret style. Now look at this style on our page. Now on the screen, you will see it has a V and it has multiple styling. Then the styling has four edge, the four sharp edge are coming out. Now what we do first, we check the V came from the back, then they twisted. So first of all, you can see the pleat this side is kind of more. So we try to do a pleat that is much. Now that gele on the screen might be 90, might be 75, but it has to be 75 up. So I'm using a 75 for mine. Now using a 75, I could decide to use a 60-40, which I will assume this everything to be 100. Then I'll fold again 25-25. Then I'll add 15 to each. 1, 2, 3. To make it 40, then from the 60, that's where I will take my pleat. Normally, the accuracy when you use a measurement in 90 will be different from when you use M75. But we just have to measure so that it will be easier for us to split, because I could have just said let one be longer than one. You understand? So I've made my pleat. Let's just assume our client here is on wig, so we'll take it from the back. She will have to hold this side. Now, if we see properly, we started this way first. Let's go. We started this way first. You can check. Started this way first, but then we have to make our pleats very well. So make a pleat. I see my own gele now. It's having those stone. Okay. Please put your hand. Yeah. Now you can see the pleats are much. You arrange it, you arrange it, you arrange, 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 you arrange. Very nice. Now what do we do here now? We do the same thing. Okay, we do the same thing. We arrange, we arrange, we arrange, we arrange, arrange it properly, arrange it properly. Definitely, you can see we have achieved one of the process. We have achieved the V base. So what do? We have to turn. Now look at the way it is. It's tight, right? Then we turn, 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 turn it gradually. Before, I won't be taking more from here, but I'll just take little to drag and pin down so that it will be tight. I'll take little, drag it and pin down so that it will be tight. This is to gain firmness. Always use a good pin. I think my pin is bent. I'll go get a new one. Yeah, I think all my pin here I'll be using to tie, because I'll be tying different styles. All my pin here are bent. Okay. Now, pin here. Okay. So from the look of things, we already have what we are looking for. Normally, if it were to be a turban style, I could just gradually wrap everything to the back. You can see your V, you can see your V. You understand? So, but now this style, what this style require is this. What this style require is this. So now you can see we are looking for how this edge will show, this edge will show, this edge will show, this edge will show. Now, if you look at it very well, you'll notice that the smaller one came like this and went up. So what do? We're going to fold this one like this. Watch. Fold it. We just fold it like this. Understand? We're going to fold it like this. Now, folding it like this, sorry, this one has to be like this, like on top. You understand? See, we folded it like this. Now, this one came on top. You understand? So wait, you see, we're trying to make sense of it. This one now, I'm trying to get how we get here, and I will get here, I will get here, and I'll get here. So what I will do from the middle, I will shear to the end. Watch, from the middle, I will shear to the end. So you see, like this now, I have here, like this now, I have here. So see how we're going to make this thing unite. Sorry. See how we're going to make this thing look very unite now. We'll bring this one from the back, we'll bring this one from here, and we'll use it and hold each other. We'll just use it and pin each other so that that one will stay. We'll use it and pin each other. We'll pin it together. You see, it's crossed from that other side, so we can pin then this other side. So first thing first, I've pinned, I'll come and arrange it. I've pinned, I've come and arrange it. So I said I'm looking for this edge. And you can notice the pin here. So all we just need to do is arrange it, and pin here. You get one, already have one, pin here, pin, pin here. So guys, I am not expected to get this 100%. It's someone creativity. You get. So now what do? You see, this one came out from inside. So first of all, what I'm supposed to even do is to also pin here down for firmness. Pin here down. So that I can also get my ear. Now I'm looking for ear. All I need to do is arrange, 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 arrange. So now I've made here. All I need to do is pin here. Watch you. It's pin here. So it's just the way you push then pin, push and pin. That's important. So you see, we pin. And please always make sure your pin go back where it's coming. So we see, we have this now. We have this. We have now we have this. We have this. So how do we? Let me structure this very well. Because we are using both sides, so we have to pin. Now, how do we make this? Now we have to make this one. Arrange it one. Now, also should be arranging this again. So you see, it's coming from inside. So I just try to pin it. Try to pin them together. So I'm having this, I'm having this. So if I don't want it to be too wide, I have to bring it closer. I have to bring this one closer. You get, I have to bring this one closer. Yeah, we pin. Can see what we are pinning is something at the back. We're pinning it to hold. So please make sure you pin twice though, because there's just a pin now. There is not stay. I have to go pin it twice. Please make sure anywhere you see very critical. You pin it twice. Now you can see all edge on deck, all edge on deck. So now you see, we have this, we have this. You can see this was coming out from here. We have this. That's why we have to play the small one first, carry the long one across, then share, then bring this one back and pin them together. Okay, so look at what we could have. So it's just all about creativity. Now I could make here. So I know I might not have gotten it 100%, but now I've gotten it 100%. But let's check this and check this. At least if you're to rate me, how many will you rate me? And go to the YouTube and try it out. So you see, so most times I just try. So that's just it. This style. Okay.